Okay, so we've just picked up the Makita DLM 532 PT4X. Pretty much I think 4X is full battery or Z is no battery. And just going to do a bit of an unboxing. Hey, what have you guys done here? Eva! Where's the lawnmower? Damn it. Hey, come on guys, man. Where'd you put my lawnmower?
I put it.
Where?
Under the
Where?
It's not funny when the joke's on you, is it?
Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, so from yesterday, you can tell we're in another position because they played a prank on me and hid the lawnmower, and now it's raining today. Yesterday, lovely. Today rained, so we've had to change location, and we've just got a knife and we're going to start unboxing it properly without any inconveniences. Thanks, Hank. Thanks for your help. Okay, so got the catcher. Take that out, put it to the side. We never use them. Instructions are in there. Pop them to one side. We've got the bar. We've got the side catcher because this machine comes with a side scoop. Place that on it like a ride-on mower. Okay, now we have the controls. So pop them there gently. Okay, so just break this out. It also comes with a twin charger with a USB at the front. Most of them all do now, the twins. Pop that to the side. Okay, this is a side scoop for that attachment, and this is a 4 battery, 4 5-amp batteries with an alternating switch, so number 1 and 2, number 1 and 2 on the dial. I'll show you closer up. Pop the batteries to one side. We also have the key. Without the key it won't work, so we'll have that in for now. We'll take down the other side and we'll go from there. Okay, so that's the unboxing done. I'll just go grab some tools and we should be back. Most of them are in the box, but I like my own tools. Okay, so I'm just going to get a bit of a zoom in on the bits and pieces you get in the box. So we've got the tools that come with it. These are the bolts, these are the clips. You've got 2 clips here. They clip in on the straight shaft there. We've got the curved bolts. And then we just got these spring washer bolts. They will go in these locations here depending on the angle you wish. So mine will probably go here on this one here to this one here. I don't like it being too low, so that should be fine. And that's pretty much it on the lawnmower end. We'll just put it all together and see how we go. Hopefully nobody's hidden any more bits and pieces, because that won't be fun at all. This is actually quite a big mower. Just looking at it, it's quite huge compared to the petrol versions. A comparison shortly. That's it. There. Pretty sure that's a 13. Get my impact driver. Be a lot quicker. We could find it. Someone hit that as well. Thanks, guys. Okay, then you got your clips. So one clip, got the holes right here. There you go, done. One clip right there. See how you like it. I like it pretty straight. I'll probably put a cable tie there later, but that looks pretty good. Okay, so that's looking good there. Pretty happy with that. Also with these bolts, technically you could put them on either way. I like to have the flat bit on the outside and that on the inside, but it's up to you. And also Makita's thought about this. They've made a tool that doesn't hit the top bit when you're tightening, so it clears everything here through here, which is quite good. Most things you just like, shit, which is a dumb design, but this is great. Okay, that's about as tight as I'm going with that. Okay, I'll give it a try on the grass. See how we go. Smell boy, you tight? Hey, smell it. Tight? You haven't done anything. Alright, so the latch, the battery's pretty much here. Tap it, grab it, pull it up like you would normally a latch. Pop your batteries in. Make sure your key is all the way in. Okay, those are in. I'm going to install this because this is what I'll be using. Though it does make it quite a wide unit once these are in. There's two little bars there, just flick it under, pop that down, that's ready to go, ain't going anywhere. That's all sorted. These are your pickup points here and here, nowhere else, there and there. It's quite a big machine. Alright, we'll check this out. I never use the capture, so I don't really care, but just for display, you open this up. There's a little thing here you press to open it up. I'm pretty sure this will just hook on in here, here and here, over the two bars. Very easy, quite simple. Take this off when using the side, but I'll take the catcher off because I won't be using it. Locked in, shake around, it won't come out. Once this is down, it won't be an issue. Okay, got this to the side. Okay, so now we have a quick look at what we've got here. So here you have your switch 1 and 2. When you open this up, which is a latch, just pull it up and up, you'll see 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So if you want these batteries, 1, self-explanatory. Want those batteries on, those. It only ever runs on 2, but if you're doing a big job, you can just switch to when you're starting to go flat. Okay, so I'll switch it back to 1, close that up. It's not very loud at all. So now we'll just get to the controls. So you have, this one's automated, so when you pull this, it'll start moving forwards automatically. So you have that. Here you have your power, so turn your power on, silent mode on, and your battery charge. So this will show you your battery charge, and they're saying they're all good. Okay, then you also have your throttle control, so speed. So that's all the way off, all the way on. Just have it in the middle when you're starting off. And then you'll have this control on the other side here as well, which is the red lever. That's the blades. So to engage those, you have to pull that in and then push the button, or the other way around. Push the button in, that's it. And it's off. Okay, if you want it to go forwards, there he goes. Okay, so it's very silent. And we'll give it a run, see how it goes. Okay, so it stopped raining. Got the Makita out, ready to give it its first run. Also have the whippersnipper out. I haven't done the lawn for a while, just for for this test. The lawn's always a little bit better than that. Over here looks like a bloody jungle. So we'll give it a bit of a clean up, see how it goes. There's a trusty wheelbarrow with the kids' bike wheel. Works a treat. Might move this out of the way and we'll give it a go. Okay, so let's just give it a burn and let's not give the dog a haircut. Hank, get out of the way. Push the red button first and pull the lever. It's pretty good. I've got it on one of the highest settings, so I'll go down to 7. I reckon 7 should be fine for that. And I'm not engaging the auto drive either. So let's turn that on again. So that's quite good. I just engage the auto, and you can adjust the speed here on the auto. So if that's too slow for you, you can bump it up, and it'll just take off. It'll get away from you. So, I don't need it. If you need it going uphill, that'd probably be a bit of an assistance. Now let's try the silent mode. How much more quieter it is with that on. Let's give it a go. That's a fair bit more silent actually. I don't think it actually do anything, so that's good. Batteries are still fully charged, so I'm pretty sure it'll go through the battery faster if you use assisted. And then that hole there, that's just for the kids thing, so don't worry, it didn't ruin anything on the lawn. That goes back in, otherwise the kids will kill me. And there it is. Give you a bit of a close-up of the lawn. Saw it before. It's cut quite well. I'm happy with that. Don't have to pull cords, don't need petrol, don't need oil. And there it is.